Shiv Party chief Uddhav Thackeray desperately wants his name to be announced as the chief minister candidate of Mahavikas Aghadi. This afternoon they had a meeting at Shanmukhananda Hall, the public meeting, which was attended by Sharad Pawar, Nana Patole and Mr. Thackeray himself. And Mr. Thackeray in his speech openly said, you decide any name. He was referring obviously to Nana Patole, the Congress president, that you decide any name, but decide the name. And his party MP, Sanjay Raut, nearly 1 month before has simply Uddhav Thackeray should be the face of chief minister of Mahavikas Aghadi. Because Uddhav Thackeray had 2.5 years and he wants to complete the remaining whatever, or Sanjay Raut said the same thing. Nana Patole, taking the cue from what Uddhav Thackeray said, simply said, look, the candidate will be decided by the High Command, so I will not make any comment on that. Prior to that, Prithviraj Chauhan, the wily, I can say, the astute politician, I should say astute politician, he said that the chief minister will be decided by the whichever the party having more number of MLAs. I mean, he was perfect in that, and that is what so far happened since the coalition politics has begun. That is what is happening. But Sharad Pawar deftly kept quiet on this topic, and he went on raising the issues that how Mr. Modi is ignoring Rajya Sabha, how Rahul Gandhi is being insulted by asking to sit in the 5th row. He went on raising some constitutional issues. He didn't touch the issue raised by Uddhav Thackeray. And don't forget, this is the same Sharad Pawar, 5 years before he took the hand of Uddhav Thackeray, raised that he is going to be the chief minister candidate of three-party alliance. But that time Mr. Pawar was of 79 years. Today Mr. Pawar is closing on 84 with fragile health. Obviously, like every politician in India who is having a virtual family control over his own party, wants or may want or wants, I should say, his daughter to be the chief minister of Maharashtra. And I kept on, I raised this issue even in my discussions and even in my articles, that in 1986, Pawar merged his party with Congress and within 1.5 years he became the chief minister. The history may be repeated this time. The time may not be 1.5 years, time may be a few days, and party may merge. And it is also quite possible that Congress and Rashtravari, that is NCP, Nationalist Congress Party, the total strength of these two parties may reach close to 145. It is also quite possible. And Pawar is so deftly handling this issue because there is no other candidate except Jayant Patil who could be the candidate of the chief minister. And let me tell you, if at all Pawar is in a position to make any candidate as the chief ministerial candidate of his own choice, then that person is bound to be only Supriya Sule Pawar and none else, because all others, including Ajit Pawar, could reach only to the deputy chief minister. They could not become the chief minister. Actually, what Uddhav wants during the tenure of Balasaheb Thackeray, when he was virtually dictating terms with BJP, BJP simply used to be the younger brother in Maharashtra, and Balasaheb Thackeray used to say, Delhi is yours, you be the elder brother, so obviously I should be chief minister here and prime ministership will be with Vajpayee, Advani and all that. This was the agreement. Now Uddhav is trying to have the same agreement with Rahul Gandhi, so he went and met Rahul and Sonia recently, but it seems that it is not working, or so far whatever the Nana Patole has said, it seems that it is not working, and so he desperately wants some name should be announced. But as I said, that the tables may change, particularly after election. These three things are more important. Uddhav wants name to be announced. Nana Patole says that it is in the hands of High Command, and Sharad Pawar deftly avoids the subject. My listeners are competent enough to understand and read between the lines whatever that I have said. Thanks. Dhanyavad. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad.